हेलो व्यूअर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू कैंपस वाला। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कंप्लीट डिटेल्स अबाउट बिरला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी Greater Noida. And if you want to know how you can take admission in this college or whether there is a management seat or special seat or not, please give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So Birla Institute of Management Technology Greater Noida, also known as BIMTech Noida, was established in the year 1988. It is a private institution and it is accredited by AACSB, NBA, CII and BSIS. This institute is being ranked at number 64 by NIRF ranking of 2024, and it also holds several other ranks in top business schools of North India as well as top business schools in overall India. The two flagship courses of BIMTech Noida are MBA and PGDM. The total fees of MBA is 14 lakhs and the total number of seats are 285. बात करें अगर PGDM की, so depending upon the specialization you choose, the fees is different. बात करें अगर PGDM in retail management की, so the fees is 13 lakhs. The PGDM in insurance and business management is 13 lakhs. PGDM in international business is 14 lakhs. In PGDM in data science and artificial intelligence is 16 lakhs. Every specialization of PGDM has a total number of 60 seats. So if you want to take admission in BIMTech Noida, the candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum score of 50%, and the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, MAT, ZAT, GMAT and CMAT. The institute further conducts the personal interview round as well as extempore for further screening. अब जानते हैं हम बिमटेक नोएडा के प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में। तो इनका हाईएस्ट पैकेज है 22.50 LPA और इनका एवरेज पैकेज है 11.70 LPA। इनके टॉप रिक्रूटर्स में से आते हैं कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, कॉग्निजेंट, एक्सेंचर जैसी कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज। अब हम जानते हैं बिमटेक नोएडा के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में। सो बिमटेक नोएडा इज लोकेटेड ऑन अ कंपोजिट फुल्ली एयर कंडीशन वाईफाई enabled residential campus in Greater Noida. BIMTech Noida also has adequate hostel facilities for the students as well. बात करें अगर इसकी लोकेशन की, तो इट इज 54.7 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट एंड इट इज 12 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द बुराकी रेलवे स्टेशन. So this was all about BIMTech Noida, and if you want to take admission in this college or you are confused whether this college has management seat or special seat or not, please give us a call on our helpline numbers so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more such informative content.